Hi and welcome to yet another episode of my channel. So today is December 1st, that means it's my birthday. Well, in today's video I thought I would just create my birthday makeup look and that's it. But then I realized no, I need to interact with you all people. So in today's video I'm going to do this birthday makeup look. Along with that I'm going to do a little chit chat which I usually don't do and talk about how I ended up creating a makeup channel. So don't forget to watch the complete video and get ready with me for my birthday. So first of all, I'm gonna do my primer. I'm not gonna talk about the products today and I will mention every product that I am using right now in the description box down below. I will talk about myself today. So we'll start with where I live. So basically I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha and I have been married for almost 8 years right now. I have 2 kids. So why I started makeup videos and why YouTube channel? This is quite an interesting story. My sister is a media professional and she was on a shoot and I was there for some reason. Then the makeup artist, she's a renowned makeup artist from Bhubaneswar and she was doing her makeup. She was also new, I guess, but she was doing her my sister's makeup and I was really very kicked about it. Until then I never really had this idea of doing makeup or buying some makeup product for myself. I had completely zero idea about makeup back then and I had this crazy imagination and that makeup kida bite me then I thought that I can do makeup. This is so easy, this is so interesting, this is very fun. On top of that, I'm good with art and craft and I was a quick learner. And right after the shoot, I was like, I want to do this is fun, I want to do this. And I never ever in my wildest dream have ever imagined that I would start a YouTube channel and I will do makeup on that. But that's how it all started. And I remember the same week I watched a number of hundreds of YouTube videos of beauty gurus and what are the product we should use and how to do makeup and everything, beginners makeup to high-end makeup, everything. I wanted to learn as fast as possible. And then I ordered bunch of products from Nykaa and I remember my first foundation is this is so close to my heart, this completely empty bottle, and I don't know, I don't have the guts to throw it away. And I run a lot of trial and error makeups. And my first eyeshadow palette was a fake palette. It was a Jaclyn Hill palette because of course I never knew anything about the makeup and I wanted to do a lot of things. So I was looking for a palette which would have a lot of color in it and back then that seemed the right palette for me. But with time I learned fake products do not really work. But with time I learned a lot of things. I am still learning. I still do trials and errors. I still do mistakes. But I think that's how I learn. That's how we all learn. About starting my YouTube channel, I wasn't really very sure whether I should open a YouTube channel or not, because I basically I'm not a very extrovert person. I'm a very introvert person and talking right in front of the camera itself is a big deal for me. I do not talk much until and unless it's required. I wasn't really very sure whether I should open a YouTube channel or not until I realized that I cannot go back to my job because as I said, I have 2 kids. They're actually a pair of twins. I have a boy and a girl. Having 2 kids, 2 toddlers around the house, even though I don't do a lot of house chores, having 2 kids itself is a big deal. And I never really wanted to put my kids to a crèche and go back to a job that doesn't really fit my mind. I don't know, I cannot really accept that. I wanted to be there with them. That's how the idea of starting a YouTube channel came to my mind, but it was still far away from starting a YouTube channel. It takes a lot of courage to open a YouTube channel. Everybody who have started their YouTube channel would know the feeling. So I was still far away from opening a channel. It still requires a lot of courage, lot of stuff, basic stuff. Although I had a good camera mobile and I had a tripod, I was very conscious to come right in front of the camera and never really had to open a channel because I already had this channel long before I posted my makeup videos. But I was always in a dilemma whether I should go ahead and do a video and post it or not. But my husband really supported me and he pushed me really hard that you should do it, you are good at it, you are getting better at it. Even if you fail, it's okay, everybody fails and you will learn, you will improve yourself. And then after this long time, after thinking that I would be opening a YouTube channel, I posted my first video. and what are the challenges I face after starting the channel to this date. I'm already going to start my eyes, but I haven't really set my face. So let me just set my face. So basically, I'm not very consistent with posting my videos. Sometimes I post 2 videos, sometimes I post just 1 video a week, and sometimes I do not post any video the entire week. It's because apart from this, I'm a full-time mom. I have 2 toddlers and they are super active. They want my attention, and they want my attention all the time. I still juggle a lot of things. Maybe that's the reason why my viewer count is not increasing, my subscribers are not increasing. I completely understand that. And there was one more issue which I recently solved, that I never had a light setup at my place. So I used to shoot only in the daytime. There was no way I could shoot in the night time because the lighting was horrible. But now I have a ring light. I'm not really a talkative person, guys. I never really planned this video, so I do not have any point or any specific thing to talk about. I really wanted to just sit down and talk about things that happened, my journey so far. There's actually a lot more than that. I want to share that who I love watching, whose videos I love watching. I'm extremely influenced by Nikki Tutorial. I absolutely love her. And there's definitely a lot of Indian influencers who all are really amazing. They're doing so good. So if you haven't noticed already, I have almost done my eye makeup, but I haven't really done my brows. Maybe I'll just do it after doing my eye makeup. But if you're watching this video, you would probably know that I do not have a good amount of subscriber count. And I think it's okay. With time, everything changes. I'm a person who has patience, and I know with time things changes. Why makeup attracted me a lot is because it doesn't really changes you. It adds a little glam and more confidence to your personality. My method of doing makeup so far changed a lot. I used to contour my nose very thin in the initial days. Of course, you should do makeup according to your face, not because you see someone doing this or that. I don't follow that rule anymore. I developed my own methods. And I'm pretty sure if you stay positive, things will change one day. In any case, I feel very privileged that I have people to care for, I have food to eat, and I'm also very thankful that that I have such supportive and strong family. And I'm also very thankful that I have a very supportive husband who let me do what I wish to do. He never say no. I think I'm gonna go for this. Finally, some mascara and some lashes. I usually don't wear lashes, but this is my birthday. I don't really remember how long have I been talking to you guys. Everybody should learn makeup. I realized it after doing makeup only that how essential it is sometime for us to learn it or do it. And I think everybody should learn the basics of makeup because they can do their own makeup while going to a marriage function, to parties, or maybe just to get ready to feel better. It's such a beautiful thing and it makes you feel so good. And I did not realize my makeup turned out really nice. Oh, yes, I haven't really applied this. How can I forget you? Alright, I'll just get rid of this messy hair right now and I'll be back. And that's all for today's video, guys. I am really grateful and thankful for all the support and love I have got from you. Please keep watching and keep loving my channel and do not forget to subscribe to it. And now it's time for me to sign off because a cake is waiting for me. And I will see you all in the next episode. Bye!